Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a Isdone.dll dynamic line library and an Unarc.dll, a failed to load or missing file, corrupted file. So all you have to do now, here a brief description for you, a short description. This dynamic link library is mostly related to the installation of PC game as well as program of large size. Large game or program have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This eats up your PC RAM as well as hard drive while installation. If your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC might throw this error. So here we go. You can try to increase Windows page file or virtual memory. You can press Windows and R key, and you can open Isdone.cpl. You can click OK, and this is the system properties. Again, you can click Advanced, click Settings on Performance. Again, click Advanced and click Change Virtual Memory. Untick the box automatically manage paging file size for all hard drives, and you can click Custom Size by fill this initial size and maximum size. Click OK. So in order to fill the blank, you can for most games 2.5 GB is enough. So the value which will work in most cases is 403,000. Here 503,000. And not the values are in megabyte. So this set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.